This is One Talk with Oddity.
Hello, I'm in conversation with Mr. K. Hari Kumar, who has given us the book India's Most Haunted. You've spoken about places around us, places we've been to. Like, you've covered every base. You're talking about ghosts in the mall, you're talking about in Delhi, in Rohini, you're talking about Hyderabad, Kerala, so we can't even go and travel happily. So, first of all, tell us a place where you have never encountered a ghost, so that place is always on top of our list.
Yeah, I'll just think about my school. Yes, I have at least encountered a story about some, bloody footsteps in the bathroom. So the school, you can knock it off. It's haunted. The house outside the school, it's haunted. My neighborhood in Gurgaon, it had a basement which had some, ghosts. So it's also gone. Mera wife ka ghar, that's also gone. No, actually, there is no place where every place that I've been to has some horror story linked to it, including the place where I'm living right now.
This is One Talk with Oddity.
Now, Mr. Hari, tell me about most of the stories that you've written in the book, India's Most Haunted Places. Are they just stories, or do they have any credibility to them? Or are these personal experiences?
Stories in the book, they're all based on incidents that are supposed to be real. Either it's my personal experience or other people's experience or things that I've read on the internet or in newspapers, right? So they're all fiction based out of rumors or facts, if you want to say.
Okay.
So we dramatization sab laga ke, it has to appeal to the reader so that it's easy for them to visualize. Now, coming back to my personal experience, there are a few. Like the first story is a personal experience. It happened to me when I was in Kerala. The summer holidays mein aaya hua tha, and that Dadiji was going there, lighting a lamp, and I was like, monkey man hai hamare yahan Gurgaon mein. Monkey man, and she was like, "Kya monkey man? What is this? Bandar se dar gaya tu?" Started telling me about the entire thing which happened in that place, and I didn't have any idea that that place was haunted by a yakshi, and that murder had happened.
Were you scared at that time? Please say yes.
Yes, of course, I was scared.
The white sari, I mean, like the ghosts are in white sari. Like, is this a dress code amongst them? Like, they can go to any place and pick up a swanky jacket. So why are they still sticking to the white sari and hair like myself? Like, why?
That's because they have not evolved. The people who are telling the stories have not evolved. They are still stuck with that old imagery of the woman in a white sari. अब सब change हो गया है. अब पता है वो woman नहीं है, वो virus है, virus. That is the actual ghost.
Yes, that is very well put, of course. Because I wanted to ask you, what has been scarier for you, the year 2020 or the ghosts?
Year 2020. Ghosts, I'm not at all scared. You send me anywhere, I'm happy to be with ghosts. So this virus has taken my anxiety levels to a different high.
Well, you see, authors who write about scary stuff are also scared of something. But now, Hari, I want to ask about the horrors of the current times. The virus, climate change, right?
Everybody else will also start connecting with it. अगर एक साल पहले अगर कोई लिखता भी ऐसा होता, nobody would have really cared for it, because now, since it has happened and the kids are at, in their houses, not going out, wearing masks all the time. Now, if somebody writes about it, they will understand that it is also a form of horror.
Absolutely.
And next time Halloween, we can all wear masks.
I think the definition of Halloween and horror needs to change now to the real things that are so scary, like the climate change and, of course, the virus.
Climate change, yeah. You'll get one in my next book, don't worry. It was supposed to come out this year, but now it's been pushed to next year thanks to COVID. Mm-hmm. So next year it will come. It has something. It starts off with your typical haunted house wala horror, but it goes on to a completely different direction. There's environmental crisis and everything comes out in that story. It's related to the environment.
Well, Hari, you see, you are a master at writing scary stuff. So I'm quite sure that even with this story around climate change and environment, you will spin a good tale, because, well, what is scarier than that? Thank you so much for coming on to the show. And again, I will say, please go get yourself this book, India's Most Haunted Places. It will give you a good scare. It will turn every day into Halloweens.